The secret to the TikTok trend explosion that not everyone knows. Welcome to Abruka, Knowledge of Digital Marketing channel. Today we will explore the secret to the TikTok trend explosion that everyone is very interested in. First, trend catching secrets. Always stay updated on trends. Follow hashtags #XUHong TikTok, #trend TikTok. On TikTok, refer to videos from popular TikTokers. Catch new, unique trends with high virality potential. Make a difference. Don't completely copy trends. Create content in your own style. Use appropriate effects, background music, transitions. Add personal touches to attract viewers. Join challenges. Participate in hot challenges on TikTok. Create contest entries with unique, engaging content. Use challenge hashtags to reach more people. Next, produce high-quality content. Define your target audience. Who are your videos for? What age, interests, behaviors? Create content that aligns with the interests and needs of your target audience. Come up with creative ideas. Unique, original content that has never been seen on TikTok before. Use popular video formats like vlogs, dance, lip sync, reviews, etc. Detailed, concise script that clearly conveys the message. Professional video production. Sharp images, clear sound. Use video editing apps, eye-catching effects. Insert logos, watermarks to assert personal branding. 3. Optimize videos. Use hashtags. Research and use hashtags relevant to your video content. Use hashtags #XUHong TikTok, #trend TikTok to catch on to trends. Avoid using unrelated, spammy hashtags. Write engaging captions. Short, concise captions that create curiosity and encourage interaction. Use emojis. Relevant hashtags. Ask questions to encourage comments. Post videos at the right time. Choose a time when viewers are online. The most analyzed data to find the golden time to post videos. Post videos consistently to create a habit for viewers. Outro. Summarize the main content of the video. Call to action. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank viewers and see you in the next video. Please apply now to test and achieve results. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it interesting, please like and share to help me subscribe to the channel.